Ayo mense, kyk man, dis net 'n disclaimer nê. Een motherfucker was iewers bekol baie beter gewees, sien jy. Toe fok my hele fucking International Friday video op. En ek gaan nie nou 'n nuwe video record en dan moet ek deadline meet van Vrydag is. Soos op die video wat jy nou kyk, of was geheel en al die video nie. So bear with me mense asseblief man. Anyway, back to the video, ek appreciate die support. En geniet hom man, kyk jy is die geheel en al so kak, hy is nog alright man, want checkie. So ja mense, geniet die ene man, is hy die. Hey you guys, welcome back here to Robrin Reacts. Jou gunsteling reactor, sy gunsteling reactor. As Lylin vang, verstaan jy wat ek sê? Anyway mense, welkom terug hier so by International Fridays. Kyk jy vandag kyk ons 'n number 8 van Fetty Wap en G Herbo. Kyk jy ek is bekend met G Herbo, maar hy man het vir my diep kak my bro. So kom ek net laat die get af wat ek van hy man dink, verstaan jy? Anyway mense, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, leave a like and turn on the post notifications. Dis laat ek nog baie praat, kom ek show julle man. And let's get right into this video. So staan man.
Yeah, baby. Okay, it's time for me to go up. I won't let them play me. If I pop out, would he show up? I don't think he crazy. See a butter knife and relapse. I might cook up a baby. He was pushing bags up, but now he push up daisies. I remember I was counting up a meal in my Mercedes. I remember having dreams about a million.
Wait mense, julle beter weg Fetty fucking Wap keer man. Jesus man. Ek dink om te sê Fetty Wap is terug man. Is die hoe die boeta land verstaan nie. Ek gaan nie nog mats die man se woorde hy sê hier en daar gaan ek iets vang en wil sê verstaan. Maar ek is klein pres met die boeta se deurkom man bro.
He was pushing bags up, but now he push up daisies. I remember I was counting up a meal in my Mercedes. I remember having dreams about a million in a Mercedes. I remember I was waiting for a plug like a blessing. I remember them corner days on 12th and 22nd. I remember Airbnbs and Fetty Cash in the trap. I remember it was Perion that gave me my first strap. I remember me and Quadri when Slick P got back. I remember singing chill bro, big bro, about to come back. I remember them dark days when bitches didn't even notice me. I remember when I popped.
Wait, kyk jy mense, hy Fetty is terug man. Ek sê hoi, julle mense wat teen die man is. Julle moet nie begin onnoosel raak nie. Die man is terug my bro. Los die dinge wat julle dink om te sê Fetty Wap kan die musiek maak nie. Ek hype sommer die thumbnail op om te sê van die man is mening terug my bro. Die man het my bro die game soos nou die international musiek is. Die manne rap diep sleg, die manne maak nie na musiekie my bro. Maar luister julle die number man.
New whip, everybody noticed me. I remember niggas funny faces when they found out what I was singing. I remember feeling like Ace that day he walked out the cleaners. I remember being young as hell, feeling so insecure. I remember I was looking in the mirror, then I started seeing more. I remember Montana, Bugs, Dice, and Fetty Cash for the summer. I remember
Sierra. Sal ek klomp betlakkers wat nou die video kyk wat mos nou voel om te sê, maar laat hy ding haak nee. Foggy uit my video uit, klaar. Hulle maak my sommer naar, kyk jy. Sy wat betlakkers, klik weer hier en dan gaan hulle uit my video uit man. Kyk wat gebeur nou hier kom. Ek mag nou nie 'n international song doen nie. Maar hy dink vet nie.
Feeling so insecure. I remember I was looking in the mirror, then I started seeing more. I remember Montana, Bugs, Dice, and Fetty Cash for the summer. I remember the day I fell in love, it was with King Fountain. I remember choosing loyalty over royalty, I can prove it. I remember I ain't never made none of my niggas look foolish. I remember I ain't never let none of my niggas feel useless. I remember that it's only me who was the only one looking stupid. I remember that first $1 million check, had it in my hand. I remember that the one I gave it to, we probably never speak again. And I remember about a defamation case I ain't never even know about. I remember if you let me, how you say why you ain't throw it out. I remember feeling X'd out, getting left out by the reps. I remember feeling drained out, nigga, I ain't have nothing left. I remember grabbing 30 bricks and I put that on my shit. I remember feeling better now that I got it on my chest.
Nigga, I'm a decade in, you know my name. No limit, ain't shit changed. I was playing with them jeans way before my fame. Load up, cock it and back.
G-Herbo dead ain't it my bro. Hy is hy daai nie. En kyk jy julle manne wat Afrikaanse musiek maak. Kom try die man se styl uit. Laat ek op Joe Song afkom. Doen die ding wat die man hier aanvang en dan kom ek op Joe Song af. Hou jy nou hoor wat sê ek vir jou van Joe Song? Want ek meen om te sê my bro, wat is die? Dis more as die man.
Feeling better now that I got it on my chest.
Nigga, I'm a decade in, you know my name. No limit, ain't shit changed. I was playing with them jeans way before my fame. Load up, cock it and bang. I stayed solid, was locked in with gang. I bought a brick before I bought me a chain. There's so many hits, how the fuck I'm still sane? Let's take a trip down memory lane. Nigga, I remember G-Fazo died, laying in my bed, I couldn't stop crying. Remember my mom.
My bro, en weet julle wat is 'n fun fact van die boeta? Ek het al 'n interview van die man gekyk. Die man se stem klinkie soos wat dit nou hier klinkie. En ek weet nie waarom moet hy sy stem so aggressief maak. Because why? Ek fuckie met hy nie man.
Ain't let me outside, but I snuck right back out on the 9. Remember 14, bought my first iron. Old ass 38 ain't even shine. Ain't give a fuck though, cause it was mine. Waiting on the fuck nigga, get out of line. Remember my first time going to slide. Yeah, I was scared, but I had to try. When I let off, I closed my eyes. Open them shop out for more times. And I remember the ride back. Flaming the weed up, try and relax. When I got rich, start buying straps. Now I can't remember how many I. Yeah, all I rap is facts. I remember pouring up pints of act. Flying in the track, me, Molly, and Max. Remember one summer like 15 hats. Remember we bought that lack. Broski had to wrap that bitch all black. Cause we was sliding.
Gee Fetty nog die man. So baie moet ek hom op mors my bro. Sulke manne sê jy net op 'n 30 second was. En dan net dat hy tevrede is. My bro, kyk die man het chains, die man het karre, die man het. Dit wonder man, nee man. Almal kan mos maar musiek maak man. Staan jy? Sy wat nou ongelukkig nog kaksongs maak, gaan eventually kom blou van. Die manne raak aan ryk van die gemors af, verstaan? So hulle moet nie wees skaam is om dom songs te maak nie. Do you? Klink soos 'n dom mens man. Doen hy goed te man. Asseblief man.
Sliding, spot something, how about the back? Remember I was having a guilt trip, like, well I gotta solve everybody's problems, I still ain't healed shit. Niggas act like I ain't grow up poor, rest running all in my building. White folks gave the whole hood hope, remember them niggas almost killed them. Streets fucked up, that's how it is. Looked up to gangsters since a kid. Remember G. Gill first took his bid. Remember our only gun was a seed. Took it on drills to them bitches' head. I remember bagging up pounds of meat. Remember I ran up my first M. Remember I was fucked up like 3 years ago. Now look at me, I'm him. Remember I was fucked up like 2 years ago. Bought a Rari truck, I'm trim. Shit happened fast, run it, 20 cash. I'm trying to do it again. Now I spaz, now I show my ass. You don't know my past.
My bro, as hy spaz noem. Nah. En my bro, hou nie van G-Herbo nie, my bro. G-Herbo maak dom songs, kom. Julle G-Herbo fans, die man maak dom songs, man. Praat jou story, man.
Made something out of nothing, they ain't even know I was on my last, nigga.
Ag, hy is klaar. Kyk die mense, vir julle almal, nee. Wat nou die naam gekyk het. Download hom, al op Katjie die bro se was uit, want die bro hoort nie op die song. Fetty Wap, hoe sê man nou, Fetty Wap het die song gemaak van wat die song nou is, my bro. Al julle wat G-Herbo uit, die julle gemors artiste, my bro, wat julle so ophype. Al man uit daar, my bro, man hoort die daar nie mense. Wat anyway man, kyk man, dat ek hier nou op een gaan op die man se slegheid, my bro. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like and turn on your post notifications. Ek post maandag, woensdag en vrydag. En die ander ding is, julle weet mens daar reis man, julle is hier by die beste reacte op die internet man. Dan sê julle, julle is hele stories, stay your case, doen jou ding, ontstaan so my bro, die jaar voel ons soos wat ons voel my bro. So this is op Brain Reacts, the place to fucking be, my mense. And I'm out and let's get it man. Yeah. Binnenkant. Kijk die mannen, ik beef je vertellen. As Fetty Wap. As Fetty Wap. Wie was dat Wap?